Hey guys, RC here, and today it's going to be kind of a different little video. I meant to do, actually I meant to do this yesterday, but I forgot, so we're going to do it real quick. But this is going to be an informational video for anybody that has these style radios, like the Quad 6, the 447s, 655s, 955s, Quad 5s, the N2, or the Quad 5 N2s. Anyway, so, honestly, I'm doing this so people won't get screwed. There's a whole backstory to this whole situation with these two radios. I've videoed one of them, and I need to upload the other one. But I'm not going to get into it, but I'm just going to explain y'all how you do this. So, Quad 6. They do not come with this cable. You have to buy this cable, unless you have like a 955. For some reason, they come with them. But any other radio, they don't. So, anyways, so you plug this into your laptop, download the software, the Quad 6 software. If y'all want it, let me know. I'll put the link in the comments or the description. And, anyways, so what we're going to do, we're going to turn the radio on. This comes on as normal. And we're going to come over here to this software, turn on. Alright, so this is not what's on the radio right now, this whatsoever. So, okay. Now we're going to have to go to COM port, make sure we're on 3 or 4, whichever communication port you're using, which is okay. We're going to go read from radio. Read from radio, do you wish? Yes. So now it's reading it, as you can tell, PC. So now we're just gonna wait. But while we're waiting, I'll kind of explain. So it wasn't on this radio, but on the 447 I'm about to do a video on, guy couldn't run his amp, high SWR, which would kick the radio off. In other words, it wasn't a high SWR, but when you run amplifiers, you have reflex for a split second. When you modulate, it goes down. Well, on that split second, when your reflex high, it shows you have a high SWR. So that's what we're going to fix here, but I'll show you more things of what you can do on this software, and whenever it loads. Okay, so, alright, red data complete, good. Alright, so now we're in the CB band. Here, this is, you don't really have to change this. You can go in here and modify your emergency channel 1 and 2 and whatnot. Anyways, we're really going to focus over here in the options and features. And we are going to, just make sure everything's correct. Alright, so we're actually going to turn this off, and we're going to turn the SWR protect off, period. So there's no SWR protect. Do you have to do this on every radio you have, if you have one of these? No, you do not. If you just run the radio barefoot and you're getting by with it, so be it. But there's people there, in the world that run whole different amps, and just because the radio says you have a high SWR when you're running an amp does not mean it's true. So we're just doing this so the customer can actually use the radio to, what he's wanting. So anyway, we turned all that off. And just to kind of show you in here, you can customize all your Roger beeps, change the tones in them, you can play it. Well, you might can hear that, I'm not sure, but anyways, and then you get into the whole topic of the DTMF. I honestly don't know exactly what that is, so we're just not gonna mess with it. So anyways, you have all different options. You can save different files and whatnot. So, but anyways, we're just gonna make sure what we clicked, what we wanted. Okay, we have that off. We have this off. And we're gonna close this. Alright, so when you get done changing whatever you want, and stuff like that, you're gonna go back to program. Instead of read from radio, you're going to write to radio. Do you wish to write to radio? Write data to the radio? Yes. So you hit OK, and we just wait. And anyways, I am going to take this moment before I forget. I try not to forget in every video, but I do wish everybody for the support and the business, and it means a lot. I've had a bunch of radios come out, and I've shipped a lot, and I'm still shipping them now. So, anyways, like I said, I do appreciate it, and I just appreciate talking. The people that come talk to me, they're like, I had one guy message me, and he was like, "Hey man, I just kind of want to know how you got in radios," and I told him, and I don't mind them questions at all. Write data completed. So that is it. That's all you have to do. Now you can just close this. Close the software. File has been modified. You can save it if you want. I'm not going to save it. That's just saving the file that you put on here on the radio to your computer. I'm not going to save it. So that is done. All you got to do is now turn the radio off and unplug it. So hopefully this answers a lot of questions, and I know there's not really a detailed video. I mean, there are videos on YouTube about this, but I just kind of want to make one for my own for the customers. I have bought these Quad 6s and stuff like that for me. So anyways, I appreciate the business, and we'll catch you on another time. Bye.